Folks, welcome back to the channel. Doug Stacking Investments coming at you. Want to run through. We worked on a lot of cast iron through the week. Had other projects. I didn't get everything done. We didn't get the Lodge number 12 three-leg camp oven. We didn't get that done, and we didn't get my number 14 Birmingham Stove and Range Red Mountain Series. We didn't get that done. I'll start over this way. What I did get done was number 8 Lodge lid, because I have a chicken fryer that will go on. A couple of these little cheap pieces here. Usually sell those for $5. They just had some sticky stuff on them, so they were easy to do. And got a number 3 here. This is a number 3 Birmingham Stove and Range. This is a Century Series pre-67, because there's no Made in USA on it. Then we got 3-notch Lodge skillet. Personally, I like this Century Series. Still got the machining swirls in it, even though it is a Century Series piece. This tells me it was an early, when they changed over to their Century, because they milled it. You can see the swirls in there. Very nice piece here. If I was collecting the Century Series, I would want this one in the collection. Moving on, we got a number 5 Century Series. And this is after 67 because it says Made in USA on it. And you can see they stopped milling the inside of their pans like they did the Century Series prior to 67. They were milling. On to the number 8s. If you remember my video, 2 videos back, I think it is, when I originally showed these pans, how crusty and cruddy they were. I did guess one brand correctly, but I guessed it on the wrong pan. This one, after all the gunk was removed, this turns out to be an unmarked Wagner after 67, because it says Made in the USA. But this is a Wagner, and you know it's a Wagner because of the way the writing is. And then there's a right here, you can see the handle comes in, and then there's like a little triangle right here in the handle. So this is an unmarked Wagner. This one turned out really nice compared to, if you go back and look at the video, this thing had so much gunk on the back you could not read it. And then the big surprise, and just like finding a diamond in a rough, this one was also gunked up really bad on the reverse. And I called this one, this is the one I called what I thought was a Wagner, which turned out to be this one, unmarked. But this one, to my surprise, when we got all the gunk off, this turned out to be a small logo Griswold. So very happy, unexpected find. There's some dirt out here on these boards, but this one turned out very nice. Unmarked small logo Griswold right there, number 8, Erie, PA. Very nice pan, nice wide pour spouts. This one was milled. You can see the milling in the what I call the ears, the pour spouts, and along on the inside there. But very nice pan, nice smooth bottom to it. So anyways, that's what I got. We got 2 8s, a 5, 2 number 3s, 2 little trivet pieces, and a lid. That's all we got done. So tell me which one's your favorite, and let me know what you think of how they look compared to if you watch my video where they were all gunked up. This was a big surprise here, getting this Griswold. So anyways, hope everybody had a good 4th. I'll be at the market. These will be out at the market this weekend. You're seeing this video, I'm filming this Friday night. I'm loading up for Saturday, Sunday. You'll see this Saturday. These pans are at the market and up for sale. Anyways, we'll see you in another.